In today's energy markets, WTI in focus. WTI down on the day. It was down better than 4% on its lows. We did see it print 51.34. A little bit of strength in the afternoon, right around the $52 a barrel level right now, down about 3%. We look at Brent down about 3% as well. So both of them moving down in unison. We also saw equity weakness throughout the day, and therefore I think that was another driving force on why we saw some weakness in the commodity space, particularly when you look at WTI and Brent. Some of the factors playing into this, again, the supply-demand storyline continues to unfold here as we kick off a new week. We had some information coming out basically from China over the weekend and even at the end of last week, but again, it's that global slowing measure that continues to roll out of China. Those indicators are slowing, and we're seeing global slowing being priced into the market, I think, to some degree today, both on the equity side as well as the crude side. Also, when you look at Caterpillar's earnings, now that's typically a bellwether for global growth, and we saw them come in much lower than expected. Again, I think another reason why we're seeing the weakness in WTI as we kick off the week. And then you got to focus on Venezuela as well this week. Again, the rhetoric really picked up late last week, and I think that's part of the reason why we saw the bid maintain through last Friday. But now, even though the diplomatic relationships between the U.S. and Venezuela are very tense right now, the dialogue, at least today, was that Maduro was still open to exports, and it does not appear that the export situation for Venezuelan oil at this point is going to be disrupted too much more than it already has been. So therefore, I think that's another reason why we're seeing a little bit of weakness in the WTI space. Again, because the tensions were so high going into the weekend, they seem to have softened, at least for the time being, particularly when you look at the exportation of oil, and another factor being priced into the market as we close the day out.